It's good. It's good, Yaro. Well, sushi. As you can see, look it. French fry.
All right.
Pile nugget and French fries sushi. I got my bro here still eating it, and today we're gonna be taste testing. I don't taste. My name's Zero, by the way.
You sound just like him.
Very good. I'm hungry. This is delicious.
Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a fantastic recipe today. Another beautiful salmon dish, Hiro. What are we making today?
So today, I'm going to make like a summer roll with salmon.
Something we love to eat at our favorite Vietnamese restaurant.
Yes, all the time we eat summer roll. It comes with a shrimp and I think pork.
Yeah,
roast
shrimp and
or
pork,
something,
right. And
So-
little rice noodle inside.
Yeah, rice noodle and what else? I don't know, lettuce or something, right?
Yeah, some kind of lettuce and
the basil.
yeah, like a basil, that type, right?
So today I want to make this one with the salmon.
Okay.
And with the salmon another vegetable.
Okay.
And actually I'm gonna put a little bit of sushi rice inside. Sushi rice also I'm gonna put in ginger and sesame seeds. Pretty much same as like a Kochi style sushi rice.
Okay.
Yes. So let's see ingredients.
All right, let's go through it.
Okay, so today I'm gonna wrapping with this rice paper.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you later how to do making roll it up.
Okay.
And here's a bag for salmon
Okay.
here. And then vegetable oil here. Yuzu juice, mustard,
Okay.
ginger, sesame seeds. And here is a salmon egg, over leaf, eggs, Kalware, and salt and pepper.
Okay.
And now I'm start cooking rice. So soon after this one steam done, I wanna mix with sushi vinegar plus ginger, sesame seeds, and I'm gonna add a little bit of yuzu. First, I'm gonna put a little bit of sushi vinegar. And I'm gonna add a little bit of yuzu juice here. Sesame seeds. Then next one is quickly I'm going to cut the ginger. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on here. Okay, next one is mayonnaise. First, I'm gonna take the 3 yolks. Okay, first a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of vinegar. First one I put a little bit. It's I said vinegar. Actually, this is a yuzu juice. I'm gonna add a little bit more. The first one and the second one, this is a yuzu juice. Then start adding the vegetable oil, but very slowly. Don't put too much in the one shot. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard.
We want to thank Bakkafrost again for sending a whole salmon to us. You guys probably saw in a previous video
Yes.
a few episodes back. Beautiful farm-raised salmon. Right now you can buy it at a discount for the next 2 weeks. U.S. residents only. Information down below on the screen and also in the description box. You save $15 on purchases over $150 and of course $30 on $250 purchase. So go try them out. Absolutely delicious. You will thank us later. And Hiro actually filleted whole salmon. This has been in the freezer. This is very safe to eat. You will never have any problems with any parasites or you won't get sick. And why do we recommend farm salmon? Because it's absolutely the best quality. We don't use wild salmon in sushi applications. It's extremely rare. This is the only way to make sure that it's parasite free. In fact, the FDA certifies that you can eat farm salmon without freezing as long as you know what it was fed. And of course, Bakkafrost to us, the highest quality farm salmon.
This one, then here it's a little bit warm water here. It's not too hot. First you're gonna put this one into the water.
How long do you leave it in there for?
Not too long, not too long. Just to make it wet a little bit. Okay, this is good. Come in here. And first I'm going to put the over. In the salmon. And sushi rice. Kalware, and then Ikura. So you can notice I changed the cutting board. The reason why, the wooden cutting board, sometimes this rice paper and the stick on the cutting board, very difficult to roll it up. So I just switched into the plastic cutting board. Okay, like that.
Okay.
One finish. Okay, let's do second one.
This is on a very small scale, Hiro, and you have all the salmon. Come on, let's make
Yeah, but
an XL.
this
Let's pack
is
it
more
in.
easy to bite, you know. Sometimes, you know, you can notice you go to the restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant. Some place actually serving with this kind of this size, you
This
know.
is too small.
Some places
I think it's
way
small.
too big, you know.
Yeah.
But the small you can eat more piece, you know.
Let's do an XL.
Not the futomaki.
Okay, let's do a futomaki
You
style.
like a
Hiro.
futomaki style?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
I know I'm not the only one in the audience who wants a bigger roll.
Okay.
Come on, Hiro. This is America. Everything in America is XL.
So we're going to make a little bit bigger size.
We want to make a huge Hiro.
Okay, salmon.
Come on.
But
The great thing is
I
this
need,
is
I need to wrap it up, you know.
I know.
So
The good thing
I
is this
think
is flexible. Oh, that's good, Hiro. Now that's good. Now that's what I'm talking about.
That's what you're talking about?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to eat, Hiro.
yeah. Okay. So hopefully this is I could load it up.
Yeah, once the water gets there, it's pretty flexible. It stretches pretty easily. So, and you guys can find this at your Asian supermarket. We'll put information down below in the Amazon store. You can probably find something there too.
But once this one stuck in the karimbo, like a udon one, it's about hard to take it out.
If you guys don't have a plastic cutting board, then try maybe just a plate.
It's kind of a little moisture,
plate. Yeah.
Too much water is not good too. But too dry is of course not good too.
And once the water hits it, you can't let it sit too long. You got to start working with it.
It's okay for Ikura for you?
That's good, Hiro. Oh,
okay.
Yes.
Okay, I try to load it up.
Okay.
The edge is okay.
No, that's...
This is you're talking about, right?
Oh yeah, Hiro. Look at that.
That's what you're talking about.
Look at the size difference. It's twice the size.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, there you go. Beautiful. All right, Hiro. Here we go. Finished product. Take a look at this. Beautiful Bakkafrost salmon rolled up with rice paper. Some of you guys can find it in the supermarket. Hiro made a little bit thinner, cut it like a sushi roll. Now you can enjoy it with a chopstick, right? And dipping sauce, which we will show you soon. In typical fashion, in the United States, XL. Can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Information down for Bakkafrost salmon to get your discount for the next 2 weeks, starting on March 22nd. 2 weeks. Get your discount information in the description box. You guys enjoyed this beautiful salmon, and thank you so much for being here.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. All right, to the tasting part. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy, Hiro.
Okay. This one. But this one.
And your homemade mayo, yes.
Yep. Very good.
Very good.
I like Ikura anyway.
What do you like about it most? What's good for you?
Ikura and salmon.
Ikura salmon?
This combination.
I'm thinking if you put some avocado in here, it would be great too, you know? I think it'd be a great choice. All right. This is, see how soft this is? This is the texture when you had this rice paper in the water. If you wait too long, it's going to get hard. So obviously, don't wait too long. I'm dipping in regular soy sauce. I'll try it this way. Take a look. Wow, that's good.
Good.
If you guys don't like seaweed, this would be a great way to enjoy a sushi roll. Salmon's totally delicious. I love the Ikura in there, and of course the oba, really refreshing. Tastes like basil, of course. A little bit of that ginger sushi rice. You guys, this is so easy to do at home. You guys try it, please. You will thank us later. And then, of course, that fresh sushi rice makes it amazing. You'll eat that. You don't even taste the rice paper. You know, obviously it's a little bit soft and, you know, stick it in my hands, but amazing. I love this combination here. I think we should do more sushi rolls with this rice paper.
Is it rice paper?
Yeah. People don't like seaweed or soy paper, they can enjoy it like this. So good. You need this one, Hiro?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do.
Well, there you go, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much. Right.
I love it. With the rice paper, makes everything so good.